Hi everyone, so welcome to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking into the top 5 profitable stocks that I have in my portfolio. So if you see in my holdings, I have around 30 companies in my portfolio, and I am recording as of 29 June 2020. And I wanted to give you a glimpse of the stocks that I have in my holdings, and also explain a bit more about the stocks that I have. So if you see the top 5 stocks that I have is Adani Green with 33 quantities, and second I have Glenmark, and then third I have Cipla, and then I have Goldbees, and then I have ITC. So this stocks which you see right over here is the recent ones, I would say, apart from Adani Green. Because before this, my most profitable stocks were Reliance, which I sold before few days once I felt like I have got enough profit out of it. And second most profitable stock that I had was IRCTC, which I sold when it was somewhere around 1400, I would say. And then the third most profitable stock that I had was India Bulls Housing Finance, which I sold recently when it hit 255 rupees. So those three were my most profitable stocks so far. And once I sold them off, right now I have Adani Green, Glenmark, Cipla, Goldbees, and ITC. And if you see, will I be buying the stocks that I have sold before? Yes, I would definitely buy the stocks, especially Reliance. If Reliance falls anywhere below 1400 rupees, I would definitely buy Reliance back. And India Bulls Housing Finance, if it falls below 150 rupees, I would definitely buy it back too. And IRCTC, same. If it falls below 1000 or even 1100, I would definitely buy back IRCTC. So now let's focus on the 5 stocks in the holdings that I have right now. So as you know, Adani Green is one of the most hot stock, I would say, right now. And I brought it when it was around 145. So actually I brought when it was 50 rupee, and then I brought other quantities when it was around 160, 180. I kept on adding more stocks. So currently I have 33 with average price of 145, and that has given me a returns of 173.83 percentage, which is one of the best returns, or as we can call it, a multi-bagger stock. It has for the investment of 4790, I have made a profit of 8328. With the current price is at 397. It fell in the last couple of days because it went up to 440, I guess. So if you look into it, the company is more into green energy. That is one of the prime reason that I have invested in this company. And green energy is going to be the future. So it makes more sense to invest in companies that focuses more on the green energy. And as you can see, it's a power generation company. It builds and operates solar and wind energy power plants in India. And in 1 month it has given a return of 65.71 percentage, and in last 1 year it has given a return of 857.95 percentage. So you can check the other details over here, and if you feel it's the right time to invest, go ahead. We are not recommending any stocks from our side. It's just to showcase the portfolio and help you with in the learning process. So the 52-week high, if you see, it's at 486. So it went up to 486 and now has fallen back down at 397. So this second stock which is in my portfolio is Glenmark. Glenmark was recently in the news, and the stock price went like crazy high. So if you have been following news recently, you should have definitely heard about this stock, Glenmark. So Glenmark, being a pharma company, it was recently in the news related to the COVID or coronavirus invention of a mild medicine for coronavirus. So in 1 day, it went from somewhere around 400 till 575, and then slowly it started coming down. And now, right now, it is at 466. But I brought Glenmark when it was on average at 287 at just 11 quantities. Before that, I had another 30 quantities which I sold way before, and then kept this 11 quantities still with me. and that has given me a total of 62.24% returns with 1970 rupees profit. And right now it's at 466. I would definitely be considering investing more in Gladmark, but right now many people have been investing in Gladmark and I think it's a bit out of the value that I'm looking for. So I'll wait and watch this stock. And the third stock which you can see is Cipla. Cipla is also another pharma company. So let's look into the other details of the company. So as you can see, they offer products for therapeutic areas including cardiovascular, children's health, dermatology, cosmetology, diabetes, HIV, AIDS, infectious diseases, critical care, and malaria. So the highest it has been is at 692 and the lowest is at 355. In 1 month return is at 1.15% and 1 year return is at 14%. So I got this stock with an average of 592 and right now the stock is at 634 rupee with 7.17% returns and 1274 rupees profit. So the total invested amount was 17,773 as you can see it over here. So out of top three stocks, the two most popular stocks are Glenmark and Cipla in my holdings. And the fourth stock that I have in my portfolio is Gold Base with 155 quantities and averaging 37.07 rupees and has given me a profit percentage of 14.19% with 815 rupees profit. So currently if you see the market price is at 42.33. The invested amount is 5745. So it is always good to have some balance of gold in your portfolio. I would say minimum 10 to 15%. If you could have invested in gold, it would be a great addition to your portfolio. And you could see as it is over here, it's Nippon India Gold Base ETF. And more details if you would like to know, just feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you with the other details. And the fifth stock which I have is ITC, which is into consumer goods. So you could see they operate under four segments: FMCG, hotels, paperboards, and paper and packaging, and agribusiness. So most of the brands that you find in the supermarket, etc., could come from ITC. They are also into tobacco business. If you see 1 month return of ITC is 1.83 and 1 year return is at minus 29.63%. But this stock personally I feel has a lot of potential. So whenever it comes to the price that I am looking for, I keep on adding more. The lowest it has been is at 134. The highest is at 282. It's a large cap stock. So the amount that I have invested is 3223 with 20 quantities at an average of 161. So the profit I have made is at 680 rupee with 21% profit. And right now the market is at 195. So if you see below, there is many other stocks that is in my holdings, but as the title says, I would like to stick around with the top 5 stocks that I have in my portfolio. And one stock I think which we missed was Glenmark, as we will be able to see more about it right now. So you could see how much returns Glenmark has given in last 1 month, which is like 34.03. In 1 year it has given like 2.94%. The highest is at 573. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This video is for educational purpose and also to give you a little insight, and I hope it will be helping you in the learning curve, and also for the beginners it will be really helpful. So go through the stocks and do your own research and make sure if you feel like it is on the value that you would like to pay, then go ahead. Otherwise consider 2 times, and also always research and invest in the companies that you clearly understand. And this particular video we have focused on the profit and the loss, which with the highest numbers. So I'll be making another video where we'll be focusing just on the percentage of returns. So that could change from my holdings, especially when I show you the video, you'll understand. So next video is going to be from the percentage of returns, and also there will be a video of the top 5 penny stocks that I have in my account, because I have been getting messages from different people asking about the penny stocks that I have in my account. So I'll make you a video about penny stocks and also the profit and loss percentage. And as in stock market is not always about the profit, so I'll also give you an insight about the top stocks that are under loss in my portfolio, which would be also helpful in learning. So if you have liked the video, please make sure to like and also subscribe, so that you can always get notifications when I post further videos. So have a nice day.